what I do is I don't cut a knot. This is what I call a fit cut. Now I know there's other ways to do it. However, through the process of millions of cuts, this cut does the job every time. Okay, here we go. See how that cut just sat down? Closed the notch? Let me show you here. Okay, so wait, what it did there, it just sat down on the cut itself. Now, when I'm popping this and I'm by myself, and I'm just letting the pieces fly and not letting them rig, see, we're craning these pieces down. This piece will sit on that flat cut. Okay, now it's off. See that? It's kind of a little bit scary, but once you get used to it, that's just how it goes, see? Once you get used to it, and there's the sit cut right there. No need to cut a notch, okay? See? And when I'm working it by hand and just letting the pieces fly off and fall to the ground, which in this case we can't do because we got concrete, we got very expensive trees. That's a Japanese maple right there. Sidewalk, irrigation, whatever. This suits as another purpose. A handle, look at that. And what I do to save energy, because I get lazy sometimes, is I just go ahead and set my saw on the stump. See, there we go, look. So, whilst we're cycling down, let me show you what. Whilst they're cycling down, I'm getting set up for the next cut. I already know where my next cut's going to be, and I just repeat the process. I'll cut a notch on the backside for the rope to go around so it doesn't slide off. It's got a good positive grip, and just repeat the process. So meanwhile, I just wait. Take it easy, take the pressure off me. I got about maybe 5 more cuts to make down here. Oh, by the way, them's their carbon fiber spikes, $600 a pair, okay? And let me give you a little rundown about the truck. Bought the truck years ago. Prophet David Terrell blessed it, put his hands upon it, prayed over it. I've made $1 million, praise God. That there's an All-Tech 77T telescopic, gets in most of the yards pretty straightforward. All right, thank you.